Hmm. So write median, step by step we write. So we write step 1. Step 1 is first arrange the data. First arrange the data. First arrange the data. Data means given values in ascending. First arrange the data. Data means the given values. Ascending or descending order. Ascending or descending order. First arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. This is must. For mean we do not require. For mean there is no necessity to arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. To calculate mean value, there is no need to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. But to calculate median, it is compulsory to arrange the data in first ascending or descending, any one. You can arrange the data in ascending order, you can arrange the data in descending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger, descending means bigger to smaller. Then step 2. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order, we find n. We find n. No. Wait, no. We find n. N is total number of observations. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order, we find n. What is n? We find n. N is total number of observations or total number of values given. N is total number of observations. So after arranging the data in ascending or descending order, second part is we find n. We count how many values are given. Then step 3. Let me write this side. If step 3, this n, you can see this n is odd, this n is odd, or this n is even. Whether this n is odd or this n is even, you have to find. You have to see whether this n is odd or this n is even. It clear? Whether this n is odd or this n is even. If yes. What I'm telling you, if n is odd, wait, if n is odd, if n is odd, if n is odd, right. If n is odd, then median will be, then my median is n plus 1 divided by 2. N plus 1 divided by 2 tooth term, or you can say observation. Then my median is n plus 1 upon tooth observation. For example, you may get 6th observation, 7th observation, 5th observation, 3rd observation. So that observation value, wait, that observation value will be my median. Wait. Now right. If n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 upon tooth observation. This is the position value. This is the position. This will give you the position of the median. For example, you will get 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th position. So that 3rd, 4th, 5th position value will be the median. This will not be the median. This is the position of that median. This will give you the position. this n plus 1 upon 2th observation, this is not my median, this is the position or place. This is the place or position of that median value. Now second, if n is odd, that is over. If n is even, n is even number, then median is then median is n by 2th value, n divided by 2th observation, n divided by 2th observation, n divided by 2th observation. Are you getting? N divided by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation, n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1th observation, n by 2 plus 1th observation, whole divided by 2, whole divided by 2. This will be the median. That will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation. So this observation plus this observation, divide the total by 2, you will get median. So again, these two are position, these two are place or position, these two are place or position. So we have to put this value, we have to put the value of that position and then divide this total by 2. Divide this total by, yes, now we start. So in median it is compulsory to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. After arranging the data in ascending order or descending order, we calculate what is n. N is total number of observations. We check whether total number of observations n is even or odd. If n is odd, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. This position value will be the median. If n is even, then median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So that position value. Now we'll see the problem. So median, it is median it is compulsory to place. Place means position. For example, 5th position, 6th position, 7th position. So at 5th position, which number is there, that value we have to write. At 5th position or 6th position or 7th position, whichever number is there, that number we have to write, and that will be the value of the median. That 5th, 6th, 7th will not be the median. They indicate the position of the median value. 5th, 6th, 7th, they only tell that your median value is at 5th position. But what is median? The value at the 5th position or 6th position or 7th position. Yes. So now let us see. So let us see the first exercise 19b. Exercise 19b. First, find the median of find the median of 25, 16, 25, 16, 26, 25, 16, 26, 16, 32, 16, 32, 31, 19, 31, 19, then 28, 35. 28, 35. So these values are given 25, 16, 26, 16, 32, 31, 19, 28 and 35. Correct? So now first we arrange the data in the ascending order. So ascending order is, our first job is to arrange the data in ascending order. So ascending order is start with the smallest number. Smallest number is 16, 2 times 16, 16. So we write 2 times 16, comma 16. Then after 16, 16, it is 19, After 19, yes, it is 25. After 25, it is 26. Then it is 28. Then then 31. You are wrong. 31, 32, 35. Right now you cannot conclude what is my median. We cannot conclude what is my median. We are arranging that in the ascending order. After ascending order, we see what is my n. Total how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here n is yes, we'll see. Here n is 9. 9 is odd. N is wait, no. Yes. N is 9. 9 is odd. So my median will be, yes. So median is n plus 1 upon 2th term or observation, whichever you say. So median is n plus 1. N is 9. 9 plus 1 upon 2th. 9 plus 1 upon 2th term. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 2, that is 5th term. 5th term is my median. My median is 5th term. So from right, yes. So now we'll see. Now we'll see what is the 5th term. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. This is my 5th term. So my median is 26. Median is n plus 1 upon 2th term, that is 5th term. So median is 5th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So median is 26. Median is 26. Is it clear? When n is odd, my median is 26. Yes. So now in the same way, you will do others. Let me do fourth one. Yes, let me do fourth one. For 3 numbers, 3-digit numbers. One problem we have done for yes. You see. First you arrange the data in the ascending order. First we arrange the data in the ascending order. So now fourth one, yes. 233, 173. See, the formula is easy, calculation is easy, but if you make mistake in writing the number or while arranging the data in ascending order, if you make mistake, the whole calculation becomes wrong. So you have to be careful. 233, 173, 189, then 208, 194. We'll see, no? We'll see. 204, 194, 185, 200 and 220. 233, 173, 189, 208, 194, 204, 194, 185, 200 and 220. First we arrange the data in ascending order. Yes. First you arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order is, yes, which is the smallest number? In this 173. We start 173. After 173, 185. Then we have 189, correct? No, 189. Then we have 194. 194 is 2 times. 194. We write 2 times. After 194, it is 200. After 200, it is 204. Then after 204, it is 208. After 208, it is 220. Then it is 233. So we have arranged the data in ascending order. Now we'll see what is n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n is 10. Now this 10, yes, 10 is my, 10 is even. So when n is even, the median formula is changed. Then my median is, yes, what is that median? N by tooth term. N by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. Whole divided by, you can write this bigger bracket, no problem. N by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. N by tooth term, n by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So now let us put the value. So median is, just put the value of n as 10 and simplify. Put the value of n as 10 and simplify. So median is n by tooth term plus n by 2 plus 1. See, it is not n plus 1 by 2. It is n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1 and n plus 1 upon 2, they are different. So it is n plus n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So now let us solve this. So median is n by 2. N is 10. So that is 10 by tooth term. 10 by tooth term plus n is 10. So 10 by 2 plus 1th term. 10 by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So 10 by 2th term means 5th term. 5th term plus 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6th term. 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. Now all of you stop writing. See where the student make mistake. Where the student make mistake, stop writing. See, instead of writing 5th term and 6th term value, they simply write 5 plus 6 divided by 2, which is 11 divided by 2, and they write 5.5, which is completely wrong. It is not 5 and 6, it is 5th term and 6th term. So that 5th term and 6th term value you have to write. You cannot write this simply 5th term as 5 and 6th term as 5. No. Is it clear? Yes. No, my dear. You will not see. You cannot write 5th term and 6th term as 11th term. No. 5th term and 6th term will not be 11th term. You have to write simply what is 5th term, that value you have to write. What is 6th term, that value you have to write, and divide the total by 2. Yes. Yes. See here, 5th term. What is 5th term? After arranging the data in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th term. This is my 5th term. 194. Is it clear? So we write 194 plus 6th term. 6th term. This is my 5th term and this is my 6th term. 5th term and 6th term you cannot write 11th term. Remember, 5th term is 194, 6th term is 200. Divide their total by 2. So 194 plus 2, 190 plus 200, that is 394. 394 divided by 2. Yes, simplify. That is 2 ones are 2. Then 2 nines are 18. 2 sevens are 14. 197. So median is 197. Median is 197. Median is 197. Are you getting? Median is 190. Where? This one. 10 by 2 means 5th term. 10 by 2 plus 1 means 6th term. fifth term and sixth term divide by 2. Are you getting? Fifth term, sixth term divide by 2. Are you getting? Fifth term, sixth term divide, fifth term, sixth term divide by 2. 197, correct? So, what one observation we are making? See here, my median is 197. But whether that 197 value is there in the table, whichever number you are given, whether 197 is there in that number? Yes, whichever number are given there, 197 is not there. So what is one observation? Median value need not be. It may be, may not be. In some of the problem you will find one of the value. But in some of the problem you will not find that value in the list of the given numbers. Is it clear? So it may be, may not be. Yes, it may be, it may not be. Now let us do the second one. The following data have been arranged in the ascending order if their median is 63. So already the data is arranged in the ascending order. The data is already given in the ascending order. So mark this first problem as important. You will be just given the discrete value and they can ask you find the median, mean, find the mean, median. Now let us do the second one. So in median it is important to arrange the data in the ascending order. If without yes, let me think. If without arranging the data in ascending order, go for solving the problem, you may get the wrong answer. So our job is first to arrange the data in the ascending order. Now second, the following data have been arranged in the ascending order. Yes, very good. So ascending order is already given. Ascending order is already given. Ascending order is, what is the ascending order? 34, 37, 53, 55, then x, then x plus 2, then 77, then 83, then 89, and 100. We are given the ascending order. We are given the ascending order. In this, then we are given the ascending order, then we are given the value of the median is also given. Median is given 63. Median value is given 63. Now we count how many observations are given. Here what is my small a? Small n. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10, correct? N is 10. What is 10? 10 is even. Are you getting? 10 is my even. So now we write the median formula for even. So median, median is, we write n by 2th term, n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, n by 2th term, n by 2 plus 1th term, whole divided by 2. So we'll give you median. So median formula when n is even is n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 plus 1 is there in the bracket. Divide by 2. So median value is already given to us. So we write 63. 63 is equal to n is 10. So we write 10 by 2th term. 10 by 2th term plus 10 by 2 plus 1th term. 10 by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. So median value is given. 63 is equal to, yes. So now 63 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5th term. So 63 is equal to 5th term plus 10 by 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6th term. So 63 is equal to 5th term plus 6th term whole divided by 2. Yes. We'll see. So 63 is equal to, yes, 63 is equal to 5th term plus 6th term, 5th term plus 6th term whole divided by 2. So 63 is equal to, again I am telling you, in examination most of the student, instead of writing 5th term, they write 5 plus 6, 11 by 2, which is wrong. It is 5th term, it is not 5. Now what is 5th term? From left we see the 5th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th term. And what is my 6th term? X plus 2. So 5th term is x. 6th term is x plus 2. So x plus 2 divided by 2. So 63 is equal to, you can simplify the numerator, x plus x, 2x plus 2 divided by 2, 2x plus 2 divided by 2. Now cross multiply. Yes, so cross multiply. 63 into 2 is equal to 2x plus 2. That is 126 is equal to 2x plus 2. So 126 minus 2 is equal to 2x. So 124 is equal to 2x and 6 is equal to 2x. So 124 divided by 2 is equal to x. So 62 is equal to x. So my x is 62. The value, wait. The value of x is, find the value of, now it is over. The sum is over. What is the value of x? 62. Now let us do, now see here, this third and fourth, they are omitted. Now let us do the fifth one. Do the fifth one. Third and fourth are omitted. Let us do the fifth one. See what you are studying right now in 9th standard, mean median. The same problem you will find in 10th. So this you remember. Now do the fifth one, no? Do the fifth one. Get the answer, get the confidence. Get the confidence. Do it, we have time. Now fifth one, the median of observation. The median of observation. Now arrange it, they have already given in the ascending order. Are you getting? They have already given you the ascending order. Are you getting this? So now write ascending order is fifth one. Ascending order or descending order, whichever is ascending order is 10, 11, 13, 17, then x plus 5, mark this important, x plus 5, 20, mark this problem, this type of problem is important, then 20, then 22, 24, 20, 22, 24 and 53. Dear, median is given, how much? Median is 18. And how many observations are given? What is n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. 9 is odd. Repeating. 9 is odd. So whenever n is odd, my median is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth term. Median is equal to n plus 1 upon tooth term. So median is already given 18. 18 is equal to n. N is 9. 9 plus 1 upon tooth term. We'll see now. So 18 is equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10 upon tooth term. 10 upon tooth term. So 18 is equal to fifth term. 18 is equal to fifth term. So 18 is equal to fifth term. 18 is equal to fifth term. 18 is equal to fifth term. You see, 18 is equal to fifth term. So 18 is equal to fifth term. But what is my fifth term? Yes. What is my fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus 5. So you will get 18 is equal to x plus 5. Now take 5 on this side. 18 minus 5 is equal to x. So x is equal to 13. 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 No, wait. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Because 19C, I would like to give the homework. 19C. There is nothing. There are hardly 3-4 problems are there which you have to solve. 19C, see, you can write the homework problem, no? Yes, that is what I am telling. Exercise 19C, you solve the problem which I am writing on the board. Rest. Yes. So first rest are omitted. So exercise 2, you have to solve. Exercise 2 you have to solve. Then exercise 3, exercise 2, exercise 3. Then four, 5, exercise 4, exercise 5. We have done similar type. Remember this. Exercise 4, 5. Exercise 4, 5. Exercise 6. Exercise 6. Yes. Definitely. Exercise 6. So this. Then this seventh one also you can do it. Seventh one also, but 7th I have to solve because 7th one is very much important. So 7th also you can do. One of the part you can do 7th. First you write 7th, then 9th, exercise 9th. Exercise 8 and exercise 9. But only this much you have to solve. Everything you have done. Rest are omitted. Yes. So now see here. Now what you have to do. Now we are going to meet on Friday. Friday you must bring the graph paper. You must have the. Arey Maharaj, you arrange, no? See, no. See here. Nowadays the shops are open. Yes, nowadays the shops are open. नहीं arrange करो. You arrange it. Arrange